Alright, here to review the Shark Steam Mop. We've had this for a little bit and it works really well. The thing I like about it is the simplicity of it. Basically you just fill this tank with water, you plug it in, you'll see the light, and then you'll start getting steam. Now when you are mopping, all you do, it'll say right there, you just push for steam, and listen, you can right here it coming out, but this thing just works great. You don't have to use any chemicals. You're just using steam water around the potty training toilet here. But it's quick, it's easy, it works great. The pads underneath are, I'm gonna pick this up. See, look at that already. The pads underneath are washable, so you just take it off, throw it in the wash, good to go. And then when you're done washing it, stick it back on and go at it. It's a great little product, the Shark Steam Mop here.